Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your paper for MLA. Okay, so actually this ruler part should already be over here. If you don't see the ruler on your page, you can go to View, over here, make sure ruler is checked. See if I uncheck it, it's gone. I check it. Okay, make sure that my cursor's right here lined up. Home. Okay, then I'm just going to type in my name. Okay, then hit enter. Then I'm going to type in the instructor's name. That's me. Hit enter, type in the course. Enter, and then the date. Day 1st. Spell out the whole month. No comma. I see a lot of students putting a comma for some reason. No comma. Just put the year. Okay, should look like this. Then you're going to put your title. Okay, and then obviously you need to type your essay. Okay, I'm just going to finish typing up this sentence. Okay, so now I have a little bit. Okay, so you can see obviously there's different spacing here. There's space between there. There's no space between here. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight everything that I've typed. Okay, and I'm going to go here. And then I'm going to pick line spacing options. I'm not just going to go to 2. Okay, I'm going to go to line spacing options. Okay, because after the spacing, okay, there's a little bit more space. I don't know why they did this, but it's your job to come here, put this as 0, okay, and then it's not even. It's 1.08. Okay, that's usually the default. You need to fix that so that it says double. Okay, and then make sure this is checked. Don't add a space between paragraphs. Okay, you don't want that. Okay. So now my paper is double spaced. Okay, and I'm going to go back here and pick line spacing options again. Okay, so it's 0, 0's double. Okay, this is checked. Then I'm going to put set as default. Okay, for all documents based in the normal template. Second one. Okay, that way, whenever I type up my paper, this spacing should automatically be in there. I would still check, but it should be in there. Okay, and now I need to fix the font, right? Because this is not Times New Roman. I need to go to Calabri right here. And Times New Roman should be one of the first ones here. So you pick Times New Roman. Then you're going to come here and pick 12. Right? Okay, so now everything is set. You should be able to come here and put set as default. That should set the it says it only fixes the alignment, indentation, and spacing, but it still should fix the font as well. Okay. And then, of course, since my title needs to be centered, I'm going to come here and put center. Okay. And then this is the first line of my paragraph. This needs to be indented. I'm just going to push tab. Okay. And the tab should automatically make it come over 1/2 inch. Okay. So that every time you start a new paragraph, it'll come over 1/2 inch. If you want to wait till now to go come here and set as default, okay, then you can. Okay, set the default alignment, indentation, and spacing of the paragraph for all of them. Okay, now see, there's a problem right here. This actually moved over with this indentation. Okay, this needs to be aligned with this. So you're gonna click this, and then click up here, and then just drag it back. Okay. You also need to do your heading. Okay, it also moved this. Okay, it moved the centering. So you need to make sure this is centered on the whole paper, not centered on the indentation. Okay, now we're going to come to the heading. Up here, just click up here. Okay, put your last name. Okay, I'll make sure this is also aligned over here, and I'll show you why in a second. And then you want to put your page number. Just put current position. Okay. Right? There needs to be a space in between that. Space. Okay, then you can put it here. Home. And then you can just align it all the way over to the end. Okay, just push this alignment, right? Okay, align right. That's for the last name and page number. One space at the top. And then to get back to your essay, you just click down here. Okay, so now everything is set up. I can keep typing my paper, right? What do I want to put? Includes times. Okay, so now I want to go to another paragraph. I click it and it's going to indent for me. Okay, and then obviously all this stuff will be saved. Okay, and you can see I have a word that's misspelled. Actually, this is a word. Tombs is a word, okay? But I meant times, so I'm going to have to go back and fix that, right? This is why you can't just rely on spell checker, because it did not underline that, right? And then my next paragraph. Right click, right, it'll give me some options, start, okay, so there, you see how your essay has been formatted, everything's evenly spaced.